Good morning, students. So in this class we will discuss calculation of packing efficiency in a different types of unit cells. So mainly we have three types of unit cells, namely simple cubic unit cell, which is also called as primitive unit cell, body centered cubic unit cell, which is represented as BCC unit cell, and face centered cubic unit cell, and it is represented as FCC unit cell. So in the different types of unit cells, so we will discuss how to calculate the packing efficiency. So before deriving the packing efficiency in the different unit cells, first we will understand what we mean by actually the term packing efficiency. Packing efficiency ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅಂತ. So packing efficiency means the total space filled by the particles in a various types of crystals is called as packing efficiency, which means that for example in a primitive unit cell or in simple cubic unit cell, the number of atoms present in simple cubic unit cell is one atom. One atom ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮೆಥಡ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ ನೀವು? ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ. Therefore packing efficiency is the total space filled by the particles in a crystal is called as packing efficiency. Therefore the definition of packing efficiency is the percentage of total space filled by the particles in crystal structures is called packing efficiency. Is called packing efficiency. See, the percentage of total space or the total percentage of space filled by the particles in a crystal is called as packing efficiency. In terms of percentage, ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ packing efficiency is defined as the percentage of total space filled by the particles. Particles, it may be an atom, molecule or ion. So those particles are also represented as spheres anta representation ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ in a crystal structure, in a various crystal structures. So that is called as packing efficiency ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀರಿ. Therefore packing efficiency equation ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು? Instead of writing completely packing efficiency, in short I will represent as P dot E ಅಂತ representation ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. While writing, you people don't write shortcut, complete ಆಗಿ packing efficiency ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. Therefore packing efficiency means volume occupied by the particles in cubic unit cell divided by total volume of cubic unit cell. Since we have to calculate percentage, since we have to express this one in terms of percentage, therefore into 100. Therefore packing efficiency equals to volume occupied by the particles or atoms in a unit cell, that is in the cubic unit cell, divided by total volume of the cubic unit cell. It means that in the entire total volume of the cubic unit cell, ಆ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅಕ್ಯುಪೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್, what percentage of the volume occupied by the atoms or particles, so that gives rise, that is called as packing efficiency ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಅಕ್ಯುಪೈ ಆಗಿರ್ತದ, ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಂದ, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಂದ. ಸೊ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಏನಾದರೂ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ. therefore now you can calculate the packing efficiency for the different types of unit cell. That is calculation of packing efficiency in the simple cubic unit cell, in the body centered cubic unit cell, as well as in face centered cubic unit cell. So in that, first we will calculate calculation of packing efficiency in simple cubic unit cell. Now we will derive packing efficiency in simple cubic unit cell. So we already know in a simple cubic unit cell the constituent particles are present only at 8 corners. So for just I will draw one more time a diagram of simple cubic unit cell. Okay. So in this simple cubic unit cell, the constituent particles are present only at 8 corners. Instead of representing particles in a dot, here I will draw entire structure of the particle. It is a corner. So in this corner a particle is present. So next on this corner also one more particle is present. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ particles present ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ both particles should touch each other. That will give the coordination number value. So here one constituent particle as well as here also one more constituent particle is present. So this is the constituent particles which are present at 8 corners in the simple cubic unit cell. In case of simple cubic unit cell, the constituent particles are present at 8 corners, only at 8 corners. So this is one corner atom, this is one more corner atom. So in this simple cubic unit cell, so the distance from the center of radius to its outermost cell, that is represented as radius of the atom. Similarly for this atom, the distance from the center of the nucleus to outermost atom, this is also represented as radius of the atom anta representation ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. And in the cubic unit cell, the edge length is represented as A anta representation ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. This gives a value of A. So in case of cubic unit cell, so all the edges are equal, that is A equals to B equals to C, which describes the parameter of cubic unit cell. So in cubic unit cell, A is equal to B is equal to C, which means that all the three edges are equal in the cubic unit cell. Therefore, so entire this distance gives the edge length. So edge distance or edge length, and which is represented as A ಅಂತ representation ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಅಥವಾ portion of this diagram also you can draw. Instead of writing complete diagram, you can also draw its half portion ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So this is one corner particle and this is one more corner particle. These two are the corner particle. This is the center of radius of particle 1 and this is the center of radius of particle 2. The distance from the center of radius to outermost cell, that is represented as radius r, and the distance from the center of the nucleus to its outermost cell, that is represented as radius of the atom and which is represented as r anta representation ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. And the entire length is represented as edge length and which is represented as A anta representation ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. See, we are discussing calculation of packing efficiency in the simple cubic unit cell. So in the simple cubic unit cell, the particles are present only at 8 corners. So at 8 corners particles present iruತ್ತದೆ. So instead of representing all the corners, here I represented only 2 atoms at 2 corners. So this is atom 1 and this is next one more atom. And the distance from the center of nucleus to its outermost cell, which is represented as a radius, and it is denoted as R anta representation ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ for atom 1. Similarly, the distance from the center of nucleus to its outermost cell, that is called as radius, and which is represented as A anta representation ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. This total distance is called as edge length, and which is represented as A anta representation ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Instead of writing like this complete diagram, you can represent the partial diagram of this simple cubic unit cell. Here also the two particles are touched with each other. Here the distance from the center of the nucleus to its outermost cell, which is represented as R anta representation ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ, and the edge length is represented as A anta representation ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ will write here. So let A is the edge length or is the radius of each atom, and we know that in the simple cubic unit cell, what is the total number of atoms present in the simple cubic unit cell? So we already know that. So the number of atoms in simple cubic unit cell is how many atoms? Only one atom. So a simple cube ದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು atom ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ volume occupied by how many particles here? Volume occupied by one particle in the simple cubic unit cell out of total volume of the unit cell. ಆ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಆಟಮ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆಟಮ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ filled by one particle, that we have to calculate. Therefore, so next we have to calculate the packing efficiency in the simple cubic unit cell. So before calculating the packing efficiency in the simple cubic unit cell, so we should know two formulas, that is volume of the particle, that is nothing but volume of the sphere, that is nothing but volume of atom, and total volume of the cubic unit cell. So we know that total volume of cubic unit cell, so total volume is given as length into breadth into height. So in case of cubic unit cell, so length, breadth, height, all the edges are equal. Therefore, A is equals to B and B equals to C. Therefore, length into breadth into height, which means that A into A ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತದೆ, that is you will get A cube ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So what is the value of A here? C. The A is edge length. Therefore here A equals to ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. So R is the radius of each atom. Therefore A equals to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ here? You will get A is equals to 2R. Therefore we have to fill the value of A here. Therefore A equals to 2R cube. Therefore what we will get? 2 raised to cube ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 8, and next we will get R cube. Therefore total volume of the unit cell, that is equals to A cube. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ in the cube all the edges are equal. That is we already discussed in the parameters of the unit cell ದಲ್ಲಿ we already discussed. So that is the parameters of the unit cell is characterized by 6 parameters. In that the 3 edges are represented as A, B, C, and which all are equal. That is A equals to B equals to C. Similarly, the angle between the edges, which is called as axial angle, and which are represented as alpha, beta, and gamma. In a cubic unit cell, alpha equals to beta and beta equals to gamma, whose axial angle which is equals to 90 degree. So with that information, the total volume of the unit cell, the total volume of the cube, ಟೋಟಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಲೆಂತ್ ಇಂಟು ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತ್ ಇಂಟು ಹೈಟ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಟೋಟಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ of the cube equals to length into breadth into height. So length, breadth, height ಅನ್ನು a b c ಅಂತ representation ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so in case of cubic unit cell all the edges are equal, therefore a into a ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ a cube ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So what is a here? A is the edge length of the unit cell and that a that is equals to r ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, so here r indicates the radius of each atom. This is the edge length of the unit cell. So this edge length which is equals to 2r. Therefore here I taken a equals to 2r ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Therefore a cube equals to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2r cube and which is equals to 8r cube ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is the total volume of the cubic unit cell. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅಕ್ಯುಪೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಈಚ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್. ವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೋ. ಸೊ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಚ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್, ಈಚ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಒನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆರ್ ಈಚ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆರ್ ಈಚ್ ಆಟಮ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಒನ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್. Therefore one atom which is nothing but in crystals ದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು atom ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that is equals to one particle ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that is equals to one sphere ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಒನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ particle that is equals to volume of sphere and we already know the formula of the volume of the sphere. Therefore volume of sphere which is equals to 4/3 pi r cube. We have to substitute all these details in this given formula. We already know packing efficiency. How to calculate the packing efficiency? So packing efficiency means the percentage of total space filled by the particles in a crystal is called as packing efficiency. So therefore packing efficiency equals to volume occupied by particles in the cubic unit cell. Since in the simple cubic unit cell ಅಲ್ಲಿ only one atom ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, only one particle ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, so only one atom ಅಥವಾ only one particle ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತದೆ, volume occupied by how many particles. Therefore packing efficiency in simple cubic unit cell that is equals to volume occupied by how many atoms? Only one atom, because the total number of atoms in the simple cubic unit cell is 1. Therefore volume of one atom or volume occupied by one sphere in the unit cell or volume of one sphere. Therefore volume of one sphere or volume of one atom divided by total volume of cubic unit cell. So this we have to express in terms of percentage, therefore into 100 ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Therefore packing efficiency PE that is equals to volume occupied by one particle or volume of one sphere that is equals to 4/3 pi r cube divided by what is the total volume of the unit cell? Total volume of the unit cell that is equals to length into breadth into height that is equals to a into a into a, because all the edges are equal in the cubic unit cell. Therefore we will get a cube. The value of the a cube we got, that is 8r cube. Therefore it is equals to 8r cube. So therefore packing efficiency we will have to express in terms of percentage, therefore into 100. Therefore packing efficiency PE that is equals to 4/3 5r cube. So next ಇದು, so 8/1 ಇರೋದು 1/8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore into 8r cube into 100, or here only you can simplify. 4 1s 4 2s. Therefore 4 1 4 2 8 r cube and r cube will get cancel each other. Therefore you will get finally ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 5/6 into 100 ಬರ್ತದೆ. Therefore packing efficiency P equals to 5/6 into 100. We know the value of 5 equals to 3.142 divided by 6 into 100. ಇದನ್ನೇನಾದರೂ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get 52.36 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get 52.4% ಬರ್ತದೆ. Therefore 3.142 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 6 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಇಂಟು 100 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 52.36 ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೆಟ್. ಸೊ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್ ಅದನ್ನು ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, 52.4% ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ದ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ದು ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ 52.4%. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್? ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆಟಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಈಸ್ 1 ಆಟಮ್. 1 ಆಟಮ್ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆಟಮ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 52.4% ಫಿಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ಈಸ್ 100 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ 100 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಆ 100 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಕುಂದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ 50 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ, 50%. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಕೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಎಂಟಿ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ. ಆ ವ್ಯಾಕೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಎಂಟಿ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಕೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ so in the simple cubic unit cell, so 52.4% is filled means the remaining part is called as empty space or void anta karitiri. Therefore empty space or which is equals to void present in the simple cubic unit cell. So out of 100%, 52.4% is fill. 52.4% fill ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಿಕ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ, 100 minus 52.4%. therefore 10ರಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಕಳೆದ 6. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 10 minus 3 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 7. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 10 minus 6 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 4. therefore you will get, so void present in the simple cubic unit cell you will get 47.6% ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ, ಸೊ void present in the simple cubic unit cell, therefore void or empty space equals to 47.6%. it means that so out of total 100 total volume of the simple cubic unit cell ದಲ್ಲಿ packing efficiency of the simple cubic unit cell is 52.4% ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ the remaining space is called as vacant space or void. that vacant space ಅನ್ನು ಈ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿ void ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀರಿ. therefore vacant space or void present in the simple cubic unit cell ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ, 47.6%. ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. so just to have to derive the packing efficiency in the different types of cubic unit cell ನೋಡ್ರಿ. so packing efficiency means the percentage of total space filled by the particles in a crystal structures is called as packing efficiency. it means that in the total volume of the cubic unit cell, the volume occupied by the particles in the cubic unit cell, so in terms of percentage ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್. So in the simple cubic unit cell, the particles are present only at 8 corners. Instead of representing the particles at 8 corners, here I represented particles only at 2 corners. This is one corner and this is one more corner. This is corner particle 1 and this is corner particle 2. So here the particles are present at the center of the corners. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ this is one corner particle and this is one corner particle. ಆ ಎರಡು ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಟಚ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. therefore so this distance from the center of the nucleus to outermost cell is called as radius and which is represented as r. Similarly for atom 1 and atom 2. This entire distance is called as edge length and which is represented as a ಅಂತ representation ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. Let a is the edge length of the edge length of the cubic unit cell and r is the radius of each atom. And in the simple cubic unit cell, the number of atoms present in the simple cubic unit cell is one atom or one particle, that is here we considered as one sphere. Here one particle or one atom that is equals to one sphere anta consideration ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Therefore here value of a equals to ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ 2r ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Therefore a equals to r plus r, that is nothing but 2r. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನಾವು ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ cubic unit cell. Total volume ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ since from we in school level we already know all these common formulas. Total volume so is given as length into breadth into height. In case of cubic unit cell all the edges are equal, therefore a into a adra ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳಿ total volume of the cube equals to a cube. Here value of the a equals to 2r ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 2r raised to cube ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ here will get 8r cube. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿಚಾರ. ಇವೆರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲತ್ತಂತ ತಾವು ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಂತ್ ಇಂಟು ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತ್ ಇಂಟು ಹೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಅನ್ನು LBH ಅಂತ ರೀಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ABC ಅಂತ ರೀಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ದಲ್ಲಿ A ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು B ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು C ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ A ಇಂಟು A therefore it is a cube. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 4/3 pi r cube. Therefore packing efficiency equals to volume occupied by one particle, one atom or one sphere in the cubic unit cell out of total volume of the cubic unit cell. Since volume of one sphere is given as total volume of the, so that is cubic unit cell equals to a cube. The value of the a equals to 2r, therefore you will get 8r cube ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. otherwise here you can write one more step. ಇಲ್ಲಿ a cube ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. again a cube equals to 8r cube ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. so percentage packing efficiency we will express in terms of percentage, therefore into 100 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. therefore ಇದನ್ನು simplification ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ finally we will get pi by 6 into 100. we know the value of pi, that is equals to 3.142 divided by 6 into 100 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ we will get 52.36 ಏನೋ ಸೊ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 52.4%. Packing efficiency of the simple cube equals to 52.4%. It is nothing but in the entire total volume of the simple cubic unit cell ದಲ್ಲಿ only ಒಂದು atom present ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ in terms of the percentage volume occupied by one sphere that is equals to 52.4% ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಖಾಲಿ ಜಾಗ, ವೇಕೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್, ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 100%ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಓನ್ಲಿ 52.4% ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಒಂದು ಆಟಮ್ನಿಂದ ಫಿಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಜಾಗನ ಖಾಲಿ ಜಾಗ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೇಕೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಖಾಲಿ ಜಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ವೇಕೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯೋ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ವೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ವೈಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ simple cubic unit cell 46.7%. ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್. ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಸೊ ವೈಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್. ತಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಡಿರೈವ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 52.4%. ಇದನ್ನೇ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರೋದು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೋದು, 2-3 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಫೈನಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 52.4%. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್, BCC ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ FCC ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್. ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಫಾರ್ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 27A. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಡಿ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 27A 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಐದರ್ ಡಿರೈವ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್, ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫೇಸ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್, ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್. So just in this manner we can solve, we can derive, we can calculate packing efficiency in the FCC unit cell as well as in the BCC unit cell. So next we will discuss packing efficiency, that is the calculation of packing efficiency in FCC unit cell. So similarly we will discuss calculation of packing efficiency in face centered cubic unit cell, that is calculation of packing efficiency in face centered cubic unit cell, which is also represented as FCC unit cell. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ packing efficiency in face centered cubic unit cell. So in the face centered cubic unit cell, constituent particles are present at 8 corners. In addition to 8 corners, the particles are also present center of each faces. For that I will draw a diagram. Okay, this is Q. So in the FCC unit cell, the particles are present at 8 corners. Here I will not represent at 8 corners, just to avoid the confusions. So in the during a calculation of packing efficiency in FCC unit cell, I will consider a particle which is present at the center of any one face. So here you can consider or at the below or left side or right side or any one face you can consider. So here I will take a particle which is present at the center of face. This is a face center. Here one particle is present, and also particles which are also present at the 8 corners. This is the corner particle, this is face center particle, and this is a corner particle. Correct? So in FCC unit cell, the particles are present at 8 corners. In addition to 8 corners, the particles are also present at the center of each faces. So this is one face. Therefore, the particle is present at the center of the face as well as the particle which is also present at 8 corners. ಅಥವಾ ಇದನ್ನ ತಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ, here you can represent a face diagonal. Face diagonal ಅನ್ನು representation ಮಾಡಿ, here you can represent particles which is present at the center of any one face. So this is a face diagonal. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು face ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೇನಾ? So in this face diagonal, a particle which is present at the center of face, in addition to center of the face, particles which are also present at corners. Therefore, these two are the corner particles and the particle which is also present at the center of face. Okay. Before going the description of these diagrams, so packing efficiency in the FCC unit cell. So we know that in FCC unit cell, what is the total number of atoms present in the FCC unit cell? There are 4 atoms. Therefore, we know that the number of atoms in for FCC unit cell is how many atoms? 4 atoms. Clear? The number of atoms present in FCC unit cell is 4 atoms, and let represent A is edge length of cubic unit cell. Complete ಆಗಿ ಬರೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. Just so this A represent edge length of the unit cell, and R is radius of each atom. So R what represent? R represent radius of the each atom. So this is the radius of each atom, and this is the center of the nucleus and this is called as radius of atom, and this the distance from the center of nucleus to outermost shell, this is also called represented as radius of the atom, and this is a center of the nucleus in the from outermost shell, this is also represented as radius of the cell. Therefore entire this distance, this portion is represented as face diagonal anta representation ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Therefore this is a face diagonal. Okay, so this is the radius r with respect to atom 1, and this is radius r with respect to the second atom, and this is radius r with respect to again second atom. See, the distance from the center of nucleus to outermost shell, which is represented as r, and again here the distance from the center of nucleus to outermost shell, which is also represented as r. Therefore 2r for second atom. Next ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ third atom ಗೆ the distance from the center of nucleus to outermost shell, that is also represented as r. Therefore entire face diagonal ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, r plus r plus r plus r. Therefore face diagonal will get ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 4r ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Therefore if you represent this is a, and if you represent this is b, and this is represented as c, here triangle is formed, so that is abc ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ triangle formation ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So here this entire a to c, this is represented as face diagonal ಅಂತ representation ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Here also you can represent this is radius r, and from the center of nucleus to outermost shell, this is also represented as r, and from the center of nucleus to outermost shell, this is also represented as r for the second atom. Next for the third atom, from the center of nucleus to outermost shell, this is also represented as r anta representation ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Therefore this is r. Here also you will get a formation of triangle. Therefore in triangle ಇದನ್ನ a ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನ b ಅಂತ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನ c ಅಂತ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ in the triangle abc a face diagonal you will get r plus r plus r plus r, that is you will get 4 times r ಬರ್ತದೆ. Therefore to get a value of a, edge length a ಅನ್ನು ಆಗಲೇ ನಾವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆವು. ಸೊ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ simple cubic units ಅಲ್ಲಿ constituent particles are present at corners. Therefore so a equals to 2r ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. To find out the value of a, here we have to consider a face diagonal. Face diagonal is represented as AC ಅಂತ representation ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಅಥವಾ you can represent any one letter. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಲೆಂತ್ a ಅಂತ representation ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದೇ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ b ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Therefore to find a edge length a, we have to consider a face diagonal, that is AC. Therefore in triangle ABC, this is triangle ABC, ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. In the triangle ABC, according if you apply a Pythagoras theorem, so in this triangle ABC if you apply Pythagoras theorem, ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ Pythagoras theorem ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ AC square that is equals to AB square plus BC square. Face diagonal that is equals to the sum of each edges, that is AC square that is equals to AB square plus BC square ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ. Therefore in triangle ABC according to the Pythagoras theorem, so we have AC square equals to AB square plus which is BC square. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ AB ಏನ್ರಿ, this is also edge length A. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ BC ಏನ್ರಿ, this is also edge length A. correct. So this is AB square equals to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, so this is edge length A, and BC that is also edge length A. Therefore AC square which is equals to, so AB that is edge length, next square attatanda this is A square, next BC also edge length, this square attatanda this is also A square. What is AC? AC is face diagonal which is represented as r plus r plus r plus r. Therefore AC equals to ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, 4r square as it is same. Therefore AC equals to 4r, ನೋಡ್ರಿ r plus r plus r plus r will get AC entire face diagonal equals to you will get that is 4r, next square as it is same 4r square. So next A ಅತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಸಾರಿ AB ಅತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಲೆಂತ್ that is A, AB square ಅದರಿಂದ it is A square. Similarly BC is also edge length which is represented as A square ಅಂತ representation ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So therefore A raised to 2 ಅಂತ representation ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Therefore A square plus A square equal to ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 2A square ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Therefore ಸೊ 4r raised to 2 ಅಥವಾ ac square equals to 4r raised to 2, therefore which is equals to 2 into a raised to 2 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. therefore so here we have to find out, so a square ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್, a ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. therefore this we have to rearrange. therefore we will get 4r equals to ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, so square root of 2 into a, we will get 4r equal to square root of 2 into a square ಇರೋದನ್ನು, so square root of 2 square root of a square ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ what will get, a will get. therefore 4r square equals to 2 into a square, therefore 4r equals to square root of 2 into a. next we can easily find out the value of a ಅನ್ನು find out ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. therefore a equals to ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, so 4r divided by root 2, a equals to 4r divided by root 2, r which is also given as a equals to 2 root 2 into r ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. therefore a equals to, finally we got the value of a equals to 2 root 2 into r. a equals to ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತ, ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಲೆಂತ್ a ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್. ಸಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABC, so according to the Pythagoras theorem, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. AB is edge length, therefore AB square is A square plus BC is edge length, therefore BC that is also edge length and which is represented as B ಅಂತ representation ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ in case of cubic unit cell all the edges are equal, therefore again A ಅಂತ consideration ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. therefore A square plus A square ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2A square ಆಗ್ತದೆ. so therefore AC ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ face diagonal that is equals to 4R, therefore 4R square that is equals to 2A square or 4R equals to root 2 into A, ಅಥವಾ rearrangement ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ A equals to 4R by root 2 ಬರ್ತದೆ. this 4R by root 2 which is also written as 2 root 2 into R. ಇದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, A 4R by root 2 ಇರೋದನ್ನು 2 root 2 into R ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರೀತಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಏನಿದೆ, A equals to 4R divided by root 2. A equals to 4R divided by root 2 ಇರೋದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾನು 2 into root 2 into R, 2 into root 2 into R ಅಂತ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ A equals to 4 ಇರೋದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ 2 into 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದಾ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟು R as it is same, so next divided by root 2 as it is same. therefore A equals to ಈ 2 ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ರೈಟ್ root 2 into root 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದಾ, 2 ಅನ್ನು root 2 into root 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದಾ, ಎಸ್ root 2 into root 2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ again we'll get 2, so this 2 I written as root 2 into root 2, so next 2 as it is same into R as it is same divided by so root 2, so this root 2 and root 2 will cancel, therefore A equals to ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ 2 as it is same, so next root 2 as it is same, so into R ಇದನ್ನೇ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. so therefore A equals to 2 root 2 into R, instead of writing 4R by root 2, so this 4R by root 2 we can also write as 2 into root 2 into R ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋದು. ಇದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ A ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 4R by root ಇರೋದನ್ನು ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 2 into root 2 into R ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ volume of unit cell, we know the volume of the unit cell, or before writing the total volume of the unit cell we will write volume of sphere. We know the formula of volume of each sphere, that is equals to 4/3 pi r cube. So in the FCC unit cell ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. What is the total number of atoms present in the FCC unit cell? 4 atoms. 4 atoms ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ which is equals to how many spheres? 4 spheres ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Here 4 atoms that is equals to 4 spheres. Therefore volume of each sphere that is equals to 4/3 pi r cube. Since in FCC unit cell we have 4 atoms, therefore volume of here ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, volume of 4 sphere that is equals to 4 into 4/3 5r³ ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪನ್ನು ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 4/3 5r³ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ 4 ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 4 × 4/3 5r³. ಯಾಕೆ 4 × 4/3 5r³ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಇನ್ FCC ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 4 atoms. So volume of each sphere that is equals to 4/3 5r³. In FCC 4 atoms ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 4 × 4/3 5r³ ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Therefore on simplification ಇವೆಲ್ಲ 4 4 16 16/3 5r³ we will get. Therefore volume of 4 spheres in the FCC unit cell which is equals to 16/3 5r³. ಅಥವಾ a³ ಅಂತ ಅಥವಾ here you can stop, that is volume of one sphere equals to 4/3 5r³ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ next in the formula you can substitute. So next we will go for total volume of cubic unit cell which is equals to total volume is given as length into breadth into height. In a cubic unit cell all the edges are equal, therefore a into a that is equals to a³. Again here you can substitute a value of a equals to a ಅಂತ substitute ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Therefore value of the a equals to 2√2 into r next whole cube. 2√2 into r 2√2 into r raised to cube, that is the total volume of the unit cell. Now we can apply formula of packing efficiency. Packing efficiency which is equals to volume occupied by how many particles here? Volume occupied by how many particles? 4 particles, because in FCC we have 4 spheres. Therefore volume occupied by 4 spheres in a unit cell divided by total volume of cubic unit cell. Packing efficiency since we will express in terms of percentage, therefore into 100 anta ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. Therefore packing efficiency which is equals to volume occupied by 4 spheres, volume of one sphere which is equals to 4/3 5r³. 4 sphere ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 4 × 4/3 5r³ divided by total volume of the unit cell is given as a³ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ 16/3 5r³ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Therefore packing efficiency P equals to 16/3 5r³ divided by what is the value of A? 2 × √2 into r into cube into 100 to express in terms of percentage into 100. Therefore packing efficiency which is equals to 16/3 5r³ divided by ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ 16/3 5r³. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2³ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 8. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟು √2 into √2 into √2. ಸೊ √2 raised to 3 times. Therefore √2 into √2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೀ 8. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟು √2. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ r ಇದೆ, therefore it is r³. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 100 as it is same. See here 16/3 5r³ divided by 2 into √2 into r raised to cube. 2 raised to cube ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 8. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ √2 raised to cube, √2 3 times, √2 into √2 into √2. √2 into √2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಬರ್ತದೆ. Therefore 8 into 2, next remaining 1 √2, next r raised to cube, that is r raised to cube. So next we will simplify this one. Therefore packing efficiency which is equals to, so next 16/3 5r³ divided by, so next entirely 16 16 into √2 into r³ into 100. ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 16/3 5r³. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೊ 16 into √2 into cube ಇರೋದನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 1 ಇರೋದನ್ನು, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1/2 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 16 into √2 into r³ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಇಂಟು 100 ನೋಡ್ರಿ. 16 by 3 5r cube divided by 16 into root 2 into cube divided by 1 ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು 1 by 2 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get. Therefore 16 1 so next r cube and r cube will get cancelled. Therefore you will get, so ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, pi divided by 3 root 2 into 100. Pi divided by 3 root 2 into 100. Therefore value of phi equals to 3.142 divided by 3 root 2 ಅಥವಾ 1.412. So next into 100. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get 74.103% ಬರ್ತದೆ. Therefore so you can also write the total so packing efficiency in the FCC unit cell. Therefore packing efficiency in FCC unit cell equals to 74.103%, or which is also round up ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ so less than 5 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ that we can negligible. Therefore packing efficiency in the FCC unit cell what you will get 74% ಬರ್ತದೆ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, in the total volume of the FCC unit cell 4 atoms occupy ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ in terms of the percentage the total volume of the particles occupied by the in the FCC unit cell 4 FCC unit cell occupy ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ in terms of percentage what is the space filled by the particles in the FCC unit cell, ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ 74% is filled out of 100%. ಸೊ 100%ದಲ್ಲಿ 74% ಫಿಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ 26%. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ 26% ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ವೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 25.839 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಆರ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 26%. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ recall one more time. So in the FCC unit cell we have 4 atoms, which means that if you fill 4 atoms in the FCC unit cell, so in terms of percentage what is the total space filled by the particles means it is 74%. In 100% in the total volume of the FCC unit cell 4 particles or 4 spheres are filled, which is nothing but in terms of percentage 74% of space is filled. The remaining space is called as vacant space or empty space, which is also called as void ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Therefore remaining ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, 26% ಬರ್ತದೆ. Simple. First you have to draw the diagram of FCC unit cell. In the FCC unit cell in any phase you have to represent the particles. ಒಂದು center of the phase ದಲ್ಲಿ particles ಗಳನ್ನು representation ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. So next number of atoms present in the FCC unit cell which is equals to 4 atoms. 4 atoms that is equals to 4 spheres. Here also radius of each atom is represented as r ಅಂತ representation ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, and the page diagonal is represented as AC ಅಂತ representation ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. To find out edge length E, here we have to consider triangle ABC ಅನ್ನ consideration ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Therefore in the triangle ABC according to the Pythagoras theorem AC square which is equals to AB square plus BC square, AC square which is equals to AB square plus BC square. AB is the edge length and BC which is also edge length and which is represented as A and A ಅಂತ representation ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, and AC is the face diagonal and its radius which is equals to 4r. AC square ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 4r square which is equals to A square plus A square ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ you will get 2A square. Therefore 4r equals to root 2 into A ಬರ್ತದ, ಅಥವಾ rearrangement ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ we will get A equals to 4r by root 2. This 4r by root 2 which is also written as 2 root 2 into r, ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅಂತ ತಮ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ therefore we know the volume of each sphere that is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Since in FCC unit cell we have 4 atoms which is equals to 4 spheres, therefore volume of 4 spheres which is equals to 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, it is equals to 16 by 3 pi r cube. Next we know that total volume of the cubic unit cell which is equals to length into breadth into height in a cube, all the edges are equal. If you represent the edges ABC, since all edges are equal, therefore A into A into A other will get A cube. Therefore the value of the A we already predicted, that is A equals to 2 root 2 into R. Therefore A cube equals to 2 root 2 into R raised to cube. Therefore, now we can apply the formula of packing efficiency. Packing efficiency equals to volume occupied by 4 spheres divided by total volume of the cubic unit cell. Packing efficiency and percentage ದಲ್ಲಿ expression ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, therefore into 100. Therefore, volume occupied by 4 spheres, which is nothing but 16 by 3 5 r cube, and total volume of the sphere you will get, that is 2 root 2 into r cube. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ವೈಸ್ ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get 74.103%, or by using significant figure you can round up as 74%. In FCC unit cell, totally 4 atoms are present. In terms of percentage of the space filled calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we will get 74%. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಜಾಗನ ಖಾಲಿ ಜಾಗ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ, ವ್ಯಾಕೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ವೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ. 100ದಾಗ 74% ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು? 26%. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ದ BCC unit cell. That we will discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you.